What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can claim Discord Nitro without using credit card. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and open up Discord. And here in your home screen you will see the option of Nitro. Now if we click on this one, we will see that we have two options in here. So we have Nitro Basic and just Nitro. Now Nitro Basic, you can get this for less than the normal Nitro. So to get Nitro without your credit card, simply just click on subscribe on either of these two. So let's click on subscribe. And here you can choose your billing plan, so you can choose either yearly or monthly charges. So for this one, let's just choose monthly and click on select. Now here you can see that we have different payment method, so you can use your debit or credit card. You can also use PayPal, or you can also use a digital wallet. Now, even if you don't have a credit card or debit card, you can surely use your PayPal account or your digital wallet to pay for Nitro. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.